I know when it's time for me to move on and live fully in my purpose. I have an MBA in human resources. I want to use it, okay? My podiatrist was like, are you still going to physical therapy? And I'm like, girl, did you tell me not to? Hey girl, happy Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, September... Goodness, what's today? The 3rd. I have just left my store. I had to go pick up my vitamins, some skincare products, y'all. I picked up some hair color too that I really thought I would like. And girl, I done left the house and left the bag at home. I think y'all were crooked. Hold on. But I left it at home because I planned on taking it back and exchanging it. But y'all, I mentioned in another video that I really want my short natural hair colored a funky color for fall. And I got this beautiful red color over the counter by Feria. I think it would be popping, but I'm still wanting to go to a professional to get my hair colored, so we'll see. Y'all, this week is a short week, but it has been a week, and I am so excited to make moves very soon. I am believing it in the name of Jesus. But y'all, church has been so amazing. I've taken hiatus from social media, from just certain people. When I say God moves right on time, he moves on time, okay? When you have a spirit of discernment like I do, I am blessed with that. Nothing really gets by me. It really doesn't. I'm not toot my own horn, but I kind of am, because I know when to cut people loose, okay? I know when my season is up too. I know when it's time for me to move on and live fully in my purpose. And that's really what I've been working on and praying over and making moves, y'all. So if you feel like you are stuck and there is nowhere for you to go, you feel like you can't move any further, you feel numb, you feel not appreciated, you feel overlooked, you feel not seen, go to God in prayer, or whoever you go to in prayer, okay? Because this season has been so challenging for me, y'all. If you only knew, I have cried many nights. My husband is my biggest cheerleader, thank God for him. But we've had some really great talks, and we are both aligned with my next move. I am ready to go. Do you hear me? My season has been up, and I am grateful to have a strong husband who backs me in anything I do. But at the same time, y'all, I work remotely. My job, I've pretty much mastered it at 4 years in it. So it's really not stressful, but I want more. Some people want easy jobs or easy just to skate through in life. I'm not like that. I need a challenge. I have an MBA in human resources. I want to use it, okay? It's just as simple as that. I'm not a lazy person by no means, and I'm always eager to learn, so it's time for me to go. With all that said, y'all, I hope you find this just motivational. That's pretty much what this channel was intended to do. I know sometimes I may get on here and I may rant because out of frustration, but y'all, this is a real channel. It's nothing frou-frou about it. You get what I'm feeling. This is it, okay? So anyway, y'all, I just thought I would pull over. I came out a little late, so this is rush hour. It's 2:56 p.m. I need to head back, finish some last minute reporting. I usually take my lunches very late, so that's what I'm doing right now. I canceled my physical therapy appointment today. I just wasn't feeling it, y'all. I can do these same exercises at home. My podiatrist was like, are you still going to physical therapy? And I'm like, girl, did you tell me not to? Shoot, I know they're getting money out of this, and I can do the same exercises at home, and my foot is feeling so much better. So with that said, I canceled today. I go Friday morning at 7, so I'll do that. And then from here on out, I'm just scheduled for once a week. I don't even see why I really need to do that when I can do all the exercises they've shown me at home. And I can massage my foot. I have a massager, I have all that. So a lot of times, not to bash all physical therapists or their profession, but even my podiatrist said I should be done now. I've been going to them for over a month now. Really over 6 weeks. Twice a week at $85 a pop. Okay, because we haven't met our deductible. We're very healthy people, so we don't really go to the doctors a lot. My husband may go for his annual, y'all, and that's it. He may go to a dermatologist. You know, co-pays are like $30 or something, but we really don't go. So we're having to pay out of pocket until we meet that deductible. I've seen great improvement, y'all, but I think it's time for me just to kind of wean off. And then I was told too by my doctor, if I feel like later on it's feeling unsteady or anything, I can always pick back up and go to therapy, you know, since they've already approved it anyway. But anyway, y'all, I just thought I would get on here. I haven't talked to y'all in a while. I'm about to hit the road and head back home about 15 minutes out, and then I'll probably pick the phone back up. But the camera back up. If I don't, I just really want to stop on and say hi. This is all that this video is. We've been doing a lot of cooking. I do have a cooking channel. For those who don't know, you can check that out. I'll link it in the description box. But I've been back on track with my cooking and doing a lot of filming for that on another channel. So I'm sorry I've been kind of slow here, but y'all, life has been lifing, okay? But anyway, with that said, I'm about to head out. I am so excited too that my friend's son plays for University of Tennessee, the Vols, and we may have some tickets to go to the Tennessee-Georgia game, free tickets. So I'm excited about that, and my husband is really excited. So that's, I think, on the 12th of September, so we'll see. But anyway, y'all, let me quit rambling and get out of here. I'll talk to y'all later.